Yo, what's good? MGG here, and you just stepped into the Decent Crew chapter reviews. This is where the Decent Crew reviews and discusses the manga chapters that came out this week. So why don't y'all just sit back, relax, and run it.
Sun sizzling through my window. I peep the tempo. You toke up on the endo. When life comes to crescendo, we play the smooth. I got the heart to make it. I'm Liam Neeson for my people. Mine ain't for the taking. Talking kindness. Some get blinded.
Alright. Fairy Tail 512. Main points was Sting, I guess, finishing off his fight with Rakied.
Oh shit.
And then we get some more backstory about Natsu and find out that Lucy's mom sewed his scarf. And that it probably is going to have some special... I guess there was already special properties revealed, but it might be more of a crucial piece than I probably thought it was.
It better not be some bullshit where Lucy does something when she touches his scarf and then he just gets some type of power up. He gets like a fucking armor around.
Maybe he summons the Soul King. He fuses with the Soul King. That'd be badass.
That'd be dumb.
That would be badass. I wouldn't want Natsu to get that power because I hate Natsu, but you know, if it's
Soul King is Brooke.
Yeah, I was like, what? Okay.
Spirit King. Yeah. I said Soul King.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, I mean, I feel like the Soul King might be black with that beard, though. It just seemed like a beard. I see a black nigga.
There we go with this shit.
But whatever, we'll leave it alone, man. That's another discussion for another day. Not a whole lot happened. I mean, I feel like you got more usual shit. Resident Fairy Tail expert, since Cosmic is out, we just deferring to Gramps. You know, you was trying last episode.
Yeah,
you was trying to get that spot.
Trying to hit this
so we just deferring to you since Cosmic not here today.
Oh, fuck y'all, man.
I can read it right now.
But
yeah, I know. I got you.
But
that's a whole other shit.
It seemed like bullshit how he just fucking whipped out some type of string attack.
Oh yeah, he's like
what?
Some Doflamingo shit,
right?
Oh yeah.
Hold on. So basically, Sting and Rome, when they do a Dragon Ball Z fusion, they turn into Doflamingo. Okay, that's basically what I'm getting.
All I think is gay ass feathers.
But I really feel like that's not enough of a power up to be able to beat Rakied.
I don't think he's dead. I don't think he's done.
So?
No, I don't think he's done.
The man was laid out on the ground talking about father.
Yeah,
I think Rakied's gonna get a power up. Actually,
I thought Rakied wasn't done either. But when you showed me that part, like him laying out, I was like, maybe.
Well, he's laying out.
The fact that they made the
the fact was laid out and said ... Then he said father. Show the pictures of Zeref sitting there like fuck.
Oh, then he may be actually done. That's gonna help him.
The fact that they made the statement that the only person who could take him out was his mother. I feel like he's not done.
Yeah, like I said, I hope so.
I feel like Mavis got to come in. I think it was just to put
maybe he's talking about the only person that can kill him instead of defeat him.
You guys with this shit, this is the same bullshit y'all pulled last time with the Zeref shit. Like,
no, Zeref shit.
Y'all always looking at the loopholes. I'm just saying,
real,
like, I think this was just to put respect on Sting's name.
I agree.
Be like, okay, cool, we got him, and then Rakied will come back, murk this nigga, and then maybe
like I said,
what she got.
He's gonna power up right now. He's
one of the strongest dudes. Like, and
true.
He after him, the only fight left is like Eileen, and I think all the niggas that are there are the only ones that's gonna fight her. Like, I don't think any new body is coming in that shit.
Yeah,
Ayers is gonna be the one that beats that one. And then August is like, August, Eileen, and Rakied left.
So then what are you gonna think is gonna happen to August?
I mean, August probably just gonna mass me. I really don't care who beats him at this point.
He's gonna kill Max.
I feel like Jalal and Laxus are probably gonna combo and finish this nigga off.
No, he already beat Jalal.
You think Gildart's in August?
He already beat Jalal.
Maybe Gildarts has to come.
I know, but I think Jalal didn't get enough respect on his name, man. He coming back to finish.
It did piss me off, but I don't think he's coming back. I don't think
Gildar's
coming back.
August, I might get pissed.
I can see Gildar too.
No, he ain't gonna be August.
Yeah,
who? Jalal? Oh, hell no.
Here we go. Round 2.
I don't like Jalal. I like Jalal.
No, you put respect on Jalal.
I mean, Jalal is definitely a strong motherfucker, but he's
that's why I said it'll be
not up there with all.
A combo between Jalal and Laxus.
Even then, it's tough.
Laxus ain't shit though. I still don't see Laxus. I still can't see Laxus doing it. I I still can't see Laxus whole shit, man. I'm sorry.
Who you think stronger, Laxus or Wendy? Though, come on, put some respect on his name. Who you think stronger? If you think he that weak, who's stronger?
I'll say he's stronger than Wendy.
Okay, so do you think? Do you think he's stronger than Erza?
Hell no.
What?
I should have brought the webcam today, bro.
Are you drunk?
I should have brought the webcam today, man.
So do you think Laxus is stronger than Gray?
Funny.
Actually,
Yeah, of course he's stronger than Gray.
No, the fact he got to think about this shit. That
but you sleeping on how much Gray is coming up right now.
Nigga, you sleeping on Laxus in general. What do you mean?
I think you overestimating Laxus.
No,
he's really weighing it on the fact of this, like, the demon power that he has. I'm not counting this. If you don't count that demon power, like, Laxus is stronger than
even with demon power, I still think Laxus is stronger.
The demon power is definitely going to give him some edge, because the demon power is supposed to stand on par with the shit Natsu got.
Exactly.
Gray not still going to be able to beat him, but that power is supposed to stand on par
so
with
you mean the shit he's using against Natsu just now? I don't count that as Gray. Like, I mean, like,
that's what I'm saying. That's why I'm not counting it.
Like, just like I don't count that shit as Natsu. I don't count that like claw shit as Natsu either. I mean, but regular Natsu can't beat Laxus. Fuck no.
Yeah, I think Erza and Natsu can beat Laxus.
I don't think either of them could.
Well, didn't Natsu technically beat Laxus in the arc?
Exactly.
That was bullshit, though. You know that was bullshit. No, dead ass. Of course, if anything is a main character,
right though, but because Laxus is the nigga who took on Hades, and Hades murked them.
Yeah.
Remember, I think Hades beat Natsu too.
He did, and then
Laxus was the one who took him on.
Yeah, I mean Natsu beat him in the end because
I thought Natsu
because why?
Because he took Laxus
gave him his powers. Yes,
exactly. So it was a combo.
I mean, you can argue that Laxus still wore him down.
I don't know, man. It's gonna be between Erza and Laxus.
My thing is, though, Laxus showed up. He was the only one that could fight this nigga. Laxus was fighting him on 1-on-1.
Here's another thing that kind of justifies my thinking.
And Natsu didn't beat him. Happy did.
Here's another thing that kind of justifies my thinking.
No, Happy destroyed the heart.
Laxus was always supposed to be stronger than them before the time skip, right? I always feel like the motherfuckers who are weaker come up more than the folks who are.
But Laxus was also growing. That's why it's key.
I don't feel like he should
missing the key. Laxus, every time they grew. Laxus grew too. Like, he would always come back with
Gildas hasn't gotten stronger. Gildas hasn't grown. I don't care what you do. Gildas hasn't gotten stronger. But Laxus
he did. He did.
I think
after this, in this recent times,
he's gotten stronger. To get up there with the strongest motherfucker?
To validate whatever fight he's going to have in this
To get up there with the strongest.
You think Gildas going to fight someone?
Of course. Why the fuck did he show up?
After he just took out Buddy ass,
he didn't have a real fight. He didn't have a real Gildarts fight.
Who else is there to fight?
That's what I said.
He's gonna fight August. That's what I'm saying.
I don't think he's gonna fight August.
I'm saying
it makes more sense.
I would say him teaming up with Jalal is more reasonable than Laxus teaming.
No way, that's disrespectful. That's disrespectful, G. Because Laxus and Jalal are same tier. Like they are. They're the same tier. They're the same tier.
Same.
Erza, Laxus, and Jalal are the same tier.
And I still consider Laxus stronger than Erza.
I picture it like this: you got Gildarts up here. You have Laxus down here, but then you have Erza and Natsu right above him. But Gildarts is right up, all the way up here, bro.
I'm gonna tell you something.
That's how I think of it.
If Laxus never betrayed the guild and Makarov died, Laxus would have been the next master easily. Erza wouldn't even be a contender.
Yes,
he would have took the thing as next master. To me, meaning he's stronger than her.
Like, what has Erza done that Laxus can't do? What has Erza done that makes you think that she's so much stronger than Laxus?
You mean like all of the fights that she had?
No, but like.
No.
He said it in such a petty ass way. He said
he's ready for that already.
All the fights.
Well, her fights don't make her any stronger than Laxus though. Like,
I don't know. Maybe I haven't seen enough from Laxus in order to justify it. I haven't seen enough from him. I ain't satisfied.
I mean, think about it. He was the only one who was really able to like put some fear in the Alvarez guy's name before the war started. Like when he was kind of easily murking all them niggas, he's the one who like threw the lightning down. And he was like, that guy.
Remember when they like was when he went to save Makarov, right? And then Team A went, and then Team B came and saved them. When he was running away,
that's when they put hella respect
on Team B. The only reason they got away is because Laxus did the giant electric ball and like dropped
and he was like legit scared of him when he did it.
I do not recall what the hell you
I know you don't.
You missed it?
You fell off. It's
when they saved Makarov. When they saved Makarov from the Empire, running away.
Trying to take that
saying guys like, you know, his effing.
Don't let me get two, Mark.
He's trying to take the crown.
Let me get two.
I thought it was Fairy
No, I don't recall what y'all talking about.
Well,
Don't read it.
Real
So,
shit.
Yeah. No, that really happened.
No, it did
I don't know
happen.
what the fuck y'all talking about.
It happened. It eliminates the argument.
So you saying because he scared somebody when he brought down a fucking lightning bolt?
No, he scared one of the 12 niggas. One of the 12.
friggin'.
Yeah, exactly. It's not scaring us.
Okay, and I'm pretty sure if they saw Natsu do that fucking attack that he was about to do against Zero,
that's a
they would've got
one-time
scared
that
too.
he can't do that again.
but
That's like
don't
talking
take
about
it
guys
ever
seeing
again.
it's like that's
demon
petty.
anything. They're not
Yeah,
counting.
he can't
any
do
of
that shit again.
They're just talking about Natsu without no demon powers.
And that was a generic
no
Laxus
demon
attack.
powers. And then versus
It didn't have a name. It didn't have shit.
That's
It's a
what
generic attack, regular as hell.
Just like fucking the genericness of Shanks' crew. You can't say just because something generic is that means that it's fucking nullified.
In anime, usually when attacks don't have names, they're not their strongest attack, and that's true.
yeah.
In like
Actually, yeah.
in Toriko, when they did like
not a
if
bad
Toriko did a move like a regular push, and like when he pushed thing around the world, that wasn't a named attack. If they name an attack, it's always stronger like, every single time.
If it ain't got, it was against this.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
he threw it down on him. I'm trying to find like the actual.
You could,
shit.
man. You could type in like when Laxus saved.
Yeah, I typed that in.
To be honest, we ain't got time for it.
Yeah, let's say fairy tale. I just thought I could pull it up quickly.
But-
But
The point is, Laxus is stronger than Gramps thinks.
I'll let you believe what you want.
damn, he said it as in like
just
I'm
saying-
right.
I'm just saying on a ranking scale, but
Okay.
I mean, Natsu's above everyone because of Natsu, but Erza,
That's why you gotta kick the main characters out, bro.
But Erza, no. Fuck it.
I mean, I don't know. After this shit, though, after this thing with Eileen, she might be on the come up. I might be able to see it better now, but
She's not
before,
gonna beat Eileen.
of course not.
I mean, they're gonna win on some bullshit. But
of course she's gonna beat Eileen.
she's not gonna win. She's gonna beat Eileen. I mean, she's not
I
gonna
mean-
like 1-on-1 straight up. No, it's not gonna
Technically,
happen.
shouldn't Urza just be like straight up too tired to go against Eileen?
They all should be
Yep.
too tired to
Sting,
go against anybody.
Sting should not have been able to beat Rakied.
Exactly.
In any kind of way.
Okay, is Laxus stronger than Sting?
Of course.
Oh, okay. I'm fine. We're good. Let's move on. Now, if you had said no,
you said no,
that was gonna be a next hour discussion.
Sting and Roller seem like shit to me now.
Oh, I
They seem
Yeah.
like the trash.
yeah,
Like, that's why I feel so strongly that they should not have beat Rakied at all, man.
Put some respect on their name, man. They
Hold on, you do?
light and dark. I don't think. I mean,
He likes their
they're weak.
powers.
They're weak. Yeah, they're weak in perspective though.
They got potential.
They're weak compared to Fairy Tail. It's all that shit happened to them way too soon. Like
Compared to
putting
the
the
top
respect on
characters.
Sting's name and making him a master was the stupidest thing they ever did.
yeah.
I mean, they
I was
only had like
stupid.
5 niggas in their crew.
Nah, but they still were all supposed to be on the same tier as like Fairy Tail niggas. And I think they actually gave them they actually gave them more of a goal than Sting and Rogue did. They ended up winning, but they still gave them more of a goal. Like the guy that
Black
Erza fought was apparently like her equal at some point. She still beat him. There's the memory dude. Like they
The guy
all
that
had
Laxus
niggas
fought was
who were up
stronger.
there.
Stronger than all of them.
What is that?
Black Lightning dude was stronger than
Did Laxus fight somebody from the crew? I thought he just fought the Raventail. He ended up just fighting
Isn't it the
Raventail
Black
in the
Lightning?
fight.
Who fought the Black Lightning guy then?
Black Lightning?
Yeah, it's a Black Lightning guy. I thought the Laxus fought. Because I feel Lightning versus Lightning.
Wait.
Like, he was the God Lightning Slayer. And the God Lightning guy.
I know what you're talking about, yeah. Okay, now I know what you're talking about. I don't remember him fighting Laxus though.
Oh, somebody fought him.
God,
Did he
Lightning
fight
Slayer. That was
one
way back in time.
of the 12 mages? One of the
Oh, you mean
one of the
Jura?
12 saints?
Oh, he was
Yeah, he
Yeah,
fought
maybe he
that
fought
guy.
Oh,
Jura.
Definitely
Because
fought
Jura
that
was
guy.
in that tournament.
Yeah.
Another thing, they should put Erza and Laxus in the was the same thing though.
I mean, at this point, do you really want to? Because they put so much disrespect on it. It doesn't even really hold weight anymore.
It's not about. It's just about putting respect on their names rather than like respecting the 10 was the Saints kind of like. I feel like they should at least do it just to say.
I mean, to be honest, a lot of like if Fairy Tail had to go against the 10 Wizard Saints,
Fairy Tail would win, yes.
Yeah.
So
Please no.
I mean, I don't know if it's worth.
Except you don't know the top strongest niggas though.
I just still feel like a lot of the guilds Fairy Tail went against, or like evil people in the story, were like 10 Wizard Saints level or better. Like I'm not seeing how they how like the Book of End people. How would the 10 Wizard Saints have been able to?
That's
beat
what I'm
them?
saying. That's
They
why
didn't.
they should move some niggas off and put Laxus and Erza them on.
One
So
of
who
the
can struggle between Laxus and Jalal? What is your opinion on this?
I really think they're like on the same level to me.
Do you think they're equal?
Honestly, I feel like they be.
I mean, obviously someone has to win a fight, but I mean, it can go either way. I feel like
he's okay if
if anything, I'll give an edge to Jalal. If anything, because I feel like I
don't put enough respect on his magic. I feel like the DragonSlayer thing holds weight. That Laxus probably edge it out.
And he can force himself to go like Dragon. What's it called? Dragon Force.
Oh yeah.
Oh, when do you do that?
The Chrome. What's it called? Yeah, that thing. People who have that can force themselves to go into Dragon Force.
Basically, the Super Saiyan.
That's why Sting and Ro can do it whenever they want, because they got both.
I'm sure they do have both.
Sting and Ro got they're the real Dragon Slayers, and they like the fake. Yeah, they're both.
Fuck boys.
That's too many details.
Damn, he said maybe I shouldn't take this on.
Yeah, y'all trying to get this to me. Y'all tried to automatically label me as that shit.
He seemed like he wanted it. I don't have the time.
You know the details.
I didn't want that shit.
You don't want to give him the details, so you assume he wanted it.
To me, I'm like, fuck fairy tale. I don't have the time to get involved in it. But yeah, either way, let's rate this chapter. 512, decent shit, yeah.
512, shit plus. Hey,
he
plus
right though. He right though.
But he got a scarf. Is that the scarf? The scarf is the plus? Or the new
No, that scarf. Don't drop the scarf. I drop it down to a shit because of that scarf.
Scarf definitely has potential, bro.
I'm like, I don't like that shit though. I don't like.
They said that the scarf was the one that stopped like Jerry from killing him at one point.
Yeah, I know.
It was Robert's black.
You talked about it like a couple weeks ago.
Oh, okay. So then he was the one I heard it from. Then I don't remember who I heard it from.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I still don't like it.
But yeah, you guys go ahead and read it.
Shit plus.
You got that one.
Give me the shit.
Damn.
Well, he shouldn't have beat Rakied, G. Really?
It was light. He ate the light.
You mean he ate the darkness?
No, he
ate the Rakied's
light. Oh yeah, he eats Rakied's light. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll give it a decent minus. I thought the whole scarf thing wasn't really a big deal to me, but maybe I just don't see something. I didn't like the Steam fight was just okay. I'm like, alright.
It's valid. Yo, thanks for listening to the video. If you like what you saw, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to keep the discussion going. Take a look at some of our other chapter reviews while you're at it, or take a listen to the podcast, the Decent Podcast, where we do chapter reviews, interviews, and more, so make sure you check that out. Links to all of our social media will be in the description box below, but in the meantime, I'm hungry as heck. I'm out of here. Peace.
Still tippy-toeing, old school caddy doing, country boy and way too hot in here. Shit, I've been hot for years. Swimming through the trenches, roaches in your kitchen, peeking out the window, doing dishes. Who that is, they look suspicious. Cutting